Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can solve your problem is that when you just trying to connect your mobile data and you see that there is the option of getting a pop-up, like that an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow some steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just have to update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just update the latest iOS version and you problem also going to solve, and also make sure that settings before going to on your cell data, simply just go to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, your power going to solve and simply just go to your mobile data and just turn on your cellular data. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.